Hey everybody, welcome to the free video on the free week of alerts rather. This is Hari Swaminathan. So the way this is going to work is, first of all, it's going to be a real-time alert because the entry and exit for this system for the DayTradeMAX is obviously critical, and therefore I don't want to spend time on getting the alerts out. So email will not work. What you'll need to do is follow the instructions after you've registered to add me as a contact on Skype, and we'll all be part of a Skype group. As of now, we're going to do it on Skype. So the way you're going to get the alert is on Skype, and I'm just going to show you an example here. If we had somebody who was if you're part of the group, then we'll all be part of the same chat. And the way I'm going to issue the alert is, let's say we're going to use Amazon as an example, and we want to go into the Feb, series or whatever the thing may be, and we want to buy the 365 call or the 375 call, whatever the case is. What I'll do is I'll say buy Amazon Feb 14 means it's the Feb monthlies, and then all the other weeklies are denoted by Feb 4, Feb 5, March 1, things like that. So you'll need to pick the right one, from this. But basically, the alert will be something like buy Amazon Feb 375 call. Okay, so this means we are going bullish. Amazon is not AMAZ, AMZN, Feb 375 call. So this would obviously mean we are going bullish. It's a 375 call by Amazon. Now, the strike price actually depends on you. You can, if 375 is expensive, then you can go for the 380. But bear in mind, if you go too much out of the money, then you may not get a quick move. So I'm going to pick the option I think that is ideal. So so you can either follow that, or you can take a different strike price. I mean, because the signal is the same. If we get the signal, then regardless of which option you choose, you're going to get the move. But I'm going to give a certain strike price that I'm taking, and you can follow that. So that's as far as the entry is concerned. So the entry is going to look like something like this: buy Amazon Feb 375 call. And similarly, if we want to exit, all I'm going to say is exit Amazon. That's it. That's it. So, it's very simple. And then what you'll have to do is try to find the best prices. Always remember, when you do single options, at least on the Thinkorswim platform, it always puts the natural price. So the natural price is the highest price. So when you want to buy, you want to go to the mid price. Now, many times you won't get filled at the mid price. You'll have to give a little bit more. That's okay, but try for the mid price. And yeah, and if the stock is moving, obviously you might have a difficult time filling it. And remember, not everybody is going to get filled at the same price. So the critical thing is to try to get the order filled. So you'll have to manage how you enter the trade that way. Similarly, on the exit as well, all I'm going to say is exit Amazon, and that's it. So you'll have to find the best price and exit as soon as you can. Skype is available, by the way, for mobiles, for Macs, Windows, all of that. So feel free to download it, and if you can send me an invite at Hari.OptionTiger, then that'll get you set, and we'll put you on the group. Okay, so now a couple of other things as well. Now, once you enter a position, if you're going to be away, if you're going to be in a meeting or anything like that, then you might want to put a stop order as well. So just check with your platform how the stop order is implemented, and put in a stop order so that you can restrict your losses to about 20% or 25% at the most. Similarly, once we get the move and the position is profitable, you may want to put a trailing stop as well, because trailing stops do protect your profit. There's obviously going to be a little bit of slippage, but that's okay. It's better than not having one and losing profits that that the position has accumulated. So just familiarize yourself with the stops and the trailing stops, and try to implement it as and when needed. If you're going to be looking at the markets, then it's okay, then you don't need it. But if you're not, then it's highly advisable. Then the next point is, on the chat session, you'll find if you post questions for me, I may not be able to answer those questions. So because this is meant to be just an alert system, I'm going to be looking at charts, looking at other stuff. So in case you're late on a trade, if you send some message saying, hey, I missed that, I was in a meeting, should I still take this trade? I don't know, because these are very real-time alerts, so you may have missed it. I think you'll have to just move on to the next opportunity. But in general, I won't be able to answer these kinds of questions. And also, so, if you can just, keep that in mind. Basically, if you've missed it for, I would say, more than 15 minutes to half an hour, then the opportunity is probably gone. So you would just need to skip that. All right, finally, just watch your margins and everything. If in case we want to keep the trade overnight, then to hedge any profits, we would want to make it a spread. So if we sold if we bought the 375 call, we might want to sell the 380 or the 385, so that at least it's protected overnight. And in case Amazon, falls, we'll at least make some money from the short call. So, it's a way of protecting the profits. You would only do that if the position has profits. If the position doesn't have profits, then it doesn't make sense to hedge it. You would just close it out. And then, of course, you have to watch your pattern day trader. So you'll have to check with your broker and make sure. I think in general, at least with Thinkorswim, it's 3 trades in no more than 3 day trades in a 5-day period. So, but I think different brokers have different rules. So you'll have to check that. And finally, I'm not going to give any contracts because that is up to each individual person. I would say just take it slow in the beginning to get a feel for everything. And once you're comfortable, then you can increase contracts. But watch your contracts. Just because I put 10 or 20 doesn't mean that you have to do the same. But in fact, even on my alert, I'm not going to say the contracts at all. I'm just going to give the alert to buy Amazon 375 call, Feb 2 or Feb monthly, whatever the case might be. So I think that's it. So once you go through this video, you should have all the instructions. Look forward to seeing you all on Monday morning for the free week of trade alerts. Thanks.